Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have been drifting up over the last, several trading days, but there really is no break of structure. There's no significant reason to think that this is actually continuing the uptrend. For now, I'm definitely sticking to my bearish analysis for either an expanding flat, which would target this area, or possibly a running flat, which would likely target the 100% Fibonacci extension. So I'm definitely looking at this move up as likely still a pullback to this last move down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So depending on what time frame you trade, if you do trade the 1 hour and below, I would recommend longs until we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. If it does go up to one of these Fib levels, which it's trying to respect at 38 right now, and then it gives you a nice solid break of structure to the downside, then I would stop looking for longs and I would start looking for shorts again. If you are looking for longs, just keep in mind that the trend is down on the daily time frame. The trend is your friend. You need to really try to focus on trading in the direction of the higher time frames. If you are trading to the long side, this should potentially just be short, in and out trades like scalping slash day trades. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.